Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration error in Windows. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and type CMD. When you see command prompt appear in the results, right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If a confirmation window pops up, click Yes. Now, in the command prompt window, type the following command: ipconfig /flushdns. Then press enter. After that, simply close the command prompt and restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, the issue should be resolved. Thanks for watching. If this helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Take care and see you in the next one.